had to get the DSLR out to show you guys. Look at this. Ceramic coated, vinyl wrapped car. Look how nice this is. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. To start this video off on a positive note, we have a new part, a new mod for the FRS to install. Something I've been needing for a while. I don't even know if it's gonna work when we get the car like officially done, but right here we have a front lip for the 2017 to 2019 Subaru BRZ front bumper. I am talking with the company right now, and we do plan on doing like custom front splitter and canards, so stay tuned for that. I don't even know if a lip and splitter will fit together when I air out. This lip is pretty beefy. This is my favorite front lip I've ever seen for the BRZ. If you guys want to pick up this exact lip, you already know I'll link it down in the description box for you guys. We do got the car all cleaned up. As you saw, that ceramic coat was simply freaking amazing. It seems like it does more on a vinyl wrapped car than a painted car. So for my vinyl wrapped homies out there, do yourself a favor, pick up some ceramic coat. Oh man, it is so clean. I'm really happy I went with the black. I didn't show you guys yet, but we do have the yellow on the bottom of the skirts as well to match the calipers. She's coming together, finally. All the parts are coming in. Let's rip this thing open, see what lip we went with. So there is the lip. We got to get the front end up in the air, get the bumper way higher than what it is right now so I can get that thing screwed on. I really like the center of this lip. It has like little bracket things that screw up to the bumper, so it should look pretty freaking aggressive when we get it on the car. I'm gonna keep it just screwed on instead of bolted on because I would rather rip the lip off than the whole front end. Can't believe that actually worked. So every time I would try to put these little ramps in front of the car and drive up on them, it'd push the ramps that way and it would never go up on the ramps. This time I put them behind the tire, reversed up onto them. It's even wet under the little ramp thing and I still got up on them just fine. So little trick for you guys, if you have that problem, try putting them behind the tire if they fit under your skirts and give it a shot. Well guys, here it is. That's how she looks. I think it looks super sick. The splitter we are working on that I want to get built for this car, it's obviously going to go underneath that lip. And then you know how the fenders come up or the skirts come up attached to the fender right there? I want the front lip or the front splitter to do that same thing. So run along the bottom side of the lip and then come up on the side and attach right up there to that fender. So I think that would look really nice. I don't know if they're able to pull that off. I guess we will see, but that's how it looks with the lip. If you guys want to pick up that lip, linked down in the description box below. Go cop it, it's about 100 bucks. I'm not gonna make this part of the video too long, but you guys already saw the title of the video. We are selling one of the cars on the channel, and of course, as you can see behind me, unfortunately, it is the STI. We've had this car for 9 months. Bobby and I put so many countless hours into this car. It turned out 100% perfect. The reason why I'm selling it is because I've already been down this road with an STI before. I didn't have a channel back then, so you guys may not remember that car, but it was an 06 STI, had a ride, it was all done up. It looks really good. And the condition that this car is in right now, literally it is the nicest car I own. It's the nicest car I've ever owned, condition-wise. I don't want to start like cutting it up and modding it out. I've thought about doing a wide body kit, but why would I do a wide body kit on a 100% perfect OEM 04 STI. That just seems backwards to me. I would rather go pick up like a wrecked or salvage title STI and kit that instead of this car here. So the car has been sitting for ever since we ceramic coated it. Since I've owned the car, I've put maybe 2,000 miles on it, so it's just rolled over 90K, and I simply just don't drive the car anymore. So I wanted to make this video explaining why I'm selling the car, number one. Number two, if anyone on here, any of the subscribers, any of the family wants first dibs at this car before I put it on Craigslist, before I put it on Facebook Marketplace and all the Subaru groups where people would kill to own this condition of a car, I wanted to offer it to one of you guys first. It is a clean title, it has low miles. As you can see, it's in perfect condition. The car turned out perfect and there's nothing else I can do to it. I'm not gonna start cutting it apart, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're serious, shoot me a DM on Instagram. This definitely is a sad day. I've been putting this video off for a while now, but I figured I just gotta do it. I just gotta come on here, I gotta let you guys know the situation. We have other projects to move on to, so this car has to go. If you're interested, shoot me a DM. If you're not interested, please don't DM me telling me you hate me for selling the STI. But with all that being said, let's go on one last drive. Tonight is gonna be a very, very long night, so I'm gonna go run and grab a Monster or some sort of energy drink. What better to take than the STI for the last time? So as you guys may know, if you've been following along on the channel, my Evo 10 is currently down needing an oil pump and all of the main and rod bearings. Well, it doesn't really need the bearings, but I'm gonna do them anyway. Go check out that video. I'll have it linked up at the top right hand corner if you want to go see what the situation is on that car. Anyways, I got all the parts overnighted, so they showed up today, and I've been working on FRS wheels all day. Tonight, I am going to attempt to pretty much rebuild the bottom end of my motor while it's in the car of my Evo 10. So I'm running in right now. It's currently like freaking 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, and I'm just getting started on working on the Evo, and I need to get it done before the morning. So yeah, it's gonna be a very long night, boys. With that being said, let's go enjoy this drive. Probably one of the last drives in the STI. You too. Thank you. Happy 4th. The fat ass in me had to cop one of these guys. Fun fact, I'm pretty sure this is like the lowest calorie candy bar you can buy. 250 calories. Still up there, but for what it is, it's not too bad. Well, that is all she wrote for today's shenanigans, boys. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully in that episode, we will have the Evo 10 back up and running, and I'll kind of explain to you guys why I think the problem actually occurred in the first place, and it was all on me. If it actually occurred because of this, that's 100% my fault. It's just a dumb mistake. Something I overlooked when I built the motor. So stay tuned for that episode. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you guys then.